another. Alright guys, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna go back to our old roots. We're gonna give you a meal. I'm gonna cook you guys something that I was brought up, you know what I mean? So basically, like if you don't have anything in your house, this is gonna be the cheapest meal that you could have, that you have in your refrigerator. You know what I'm saying? So let's get to it. So right now, I got 4 cups of jasmine rice here. I'm gonna wash this bad boy up. You know, everybody has jasmine rice or rice in your household. You know what I mean? So we're gonna give it a good rinse. A good rinse. Oh. Now you're gonna fill it up not halfway, but a little bit above. Boom, okay. So this is the trick to see if you have the right amount of water for your rice. You know what I mean? If your spoon
stands up, need more water.
Your spoon stands up like that, means you got a good amount of water, and it's a good amount of water, guys. So I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. It's a quick meal, guys. A quick meal. Everybody has this in their household. You know what I mean? So if I could get this fire on. Alright. So you're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. We're also gonna add some sea salt. And I like to add something called tastiest, so you can bring out the flavor. You know what I mean? So give this a good stir. You can season the rice. You could do, you know, put whatever flavor you want into the rice. Stir it up. Top it. And we'll get back in a minute. We'll get back in a few minutes, guys, to do the next. Guys, alright, we got this hot heating up right here. This pot heating up. So right now we're gonna do some canned beans. You know what I mean? Remember, guys, this is gonna be the cheapest meal of the stuff, the ingredients you have in your cupboard, in your refrigerator, something, and it's very filling and it's very delicious, guys. All right. So I got a pot heating up here. So as soon as the water evaporates, let the water evaporate, we're gonna add some olive oil. You know what I mean? And what I'm using, I'm actually gonna be using canned garbanzo beans. It's very delicious. Alright, I'm gonna tell you what I'm making. I'm gonna make white rice with a fried egg and garbanzo beans. Alright? The cheapest thing. You have eggs in the refrigerator, you got a can of beans in your cupboard. It's the best way to do it, guys. And it's the cheapest. Alright. Looks like the water evaporated. Add a little bit of olive oil. Take some what I had in the refrigerator, some chopped peppers, chopped onions, chopped green peppers and red bell peppers. Add these bad boys in here. Alright. You add the garbanzo with the water. Let the onions and the bell peppers get cooked. Add a little bit of garlic. Alright. gonna add a packet of sazon. Come on. Packet of sazon, not the whole thing, just a little bit. Now, mix it up a little bit, let the flavors marinate. Alright. Add a little bit some kosher salt. A little bit of black pepper. Beautiful. Take your garbanzo beans with the water. Add it inside, guys. Add a little bit of water. That's it. Give us a nice mix. Let them cook, let them marinate, let the flavor get to know each other, guys. Now, just sit there and just cook. The rice looks like it's cooking. Top it there. Alright guys, so the next step after these two bad boys are done, we're gonna make the eggs, guys. Alright, so be right back, stay tuned. Guys. Alright guys, so the rice, let's check on the rice. Looks soft. Perfect. Rice is done. When you cook rice, guys, when it's done cooking, don't top it. Don't top it back, because if you top it back, it's just gonna keep cooking. So leave the rice, you know, like this on top. So that it will stay the same, you know what I mean? It won't recook. Yeah. Keep cooking at it. It's gonna come out all mushy and all that stuff. You want your rice firm. So let's you got the garbanzo beans. Let's try these bad boys with the sauce. See, it's tasty. Oh, just to let you know, guys, I added sofrito. This is something that you can make in your house. You know, cilantro, bell peppers, onions, garlic, and put everything together and make your base. You know what I mean? Garbanzos is done. Now we're gonna do the eggs, guys. Take some olive oil. Give it a good amount. Okay.
A lot, yeah.
Take your egg. Let it heat up a little bit, you know what I mean? Probably hot already. Add your egg in it. There is sizzling means the oil is hot already.
Salt and pepper.
You don't need it because you have salt and pepper and everything else. You really do not want to like overpower. Okay? So basically we're gonna just do them sunny side up, you know what I mean? Sprinkle the olive oil on top so that the top is cooked. See how it's getting white where the yolk is at?
I never knew that.
That's what you want, you know what I mean? Give it a little tug, see, so it won't stick. If you want a perfect sunny side up. Alright, see, we'll release.
Hot oil has to be on top.
Give it a little flip. Bam. Let it cook a little bit. We're gonna start serving. Careful, camera girl. Put some rice in the middle. Right? Nice portion of rice. Take your egg on top, just like that. Add your garbanzo. from this, or we're just gonna get burned. Put on top, nice sauce. There you go. Here goes your meal. There goes your meal, guys. The cheapest meal you can have in your household, guys. The cheapest meal. You got your rice, you got your beans, you got your egg, guys. Look how beautiful this bad boy looks. So colorful. Smells delicious in this house right now. Let's get us a nice taste. And when you cook your eggs, you want the yolk to run, you know what I mean? You gotta have the yolk running. So we got some garbanzo, we got some eggs, we got the rice. Let's give it a little taste. Oh my God. The eggs nicely cooked. The garbanzo is nice and seasoned, guys. Guys, if you ever had this dish, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, guys. Come on, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe on this video, guys. Let's help me out, guys. Trying to get to 1,000 so we could get monetized. You know what I mean? Can't say no more. That meal was so delicious. My God. It's like one of my favorite meals, guys, is eating a nice fresh white rice with some fried egg and some nice seasoned beans. Like nice tasty beans. You know what I mean? This comes out so delicious, guys. Alright, guys. Like always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Let's grow. We need to get monetized, guys. I need your help. Alright, guys. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.